Mandeville homeowners enjoy beautiful surroundings, tree-lined neighborhoods, and the charm of southern living. But along with that beauty comes a humid climate that can affect many parts of your home, especially your windows. If you're considering upgrading to Picture Windows, you may wonder how they perform in high humidity. The good news is that modern Picture Windows are designed to handle moisture, heat, and seasonal weather changes, making them a smart and stylish choice for homes in Mandeville. Why humidity matters for windows. High humidity levels can lead to several common window issues, including condensation buildup, mold and mildew growth, frame warping or swelling, sill deterioration. Older windows, especially those made of untreated wood or single-pane glass, are more vulnerable to these problems. Over time, moisture exposure can reduce efficiency and increase maintenance needs. Modern Picture Windows, however, are engineered with materials and technology that perform well in humid conditions. Fixed design means fewer air leaks. One of the biggest advantages of Picture Windows is that they are fixed, meaning they do not open. Because they don't have moving parts or sliding tracks, they create a tighter seal than many operable window styles. In Mandeville's humid climate, this tight seal helps reduce air infiltration, prevent moisture intrusion, maintain consistent indoor temperatures. Fewer gaps and seams mean fewer opportunities for humid air to enter your home. Insulated glass for moisture control. Modern Picture Windows typically feature double or triple pane insulated glass units. Between the panes is an insulating gas, such as argon, sealed within the unit. This construction helps minimize temperature differences between indoors and outdoors, reduce condensation on interior glass surfaces, improve overall energy efficiency in humid environments like Mandeville. Minimizing condensation is especially important. Excess condensation can damage window sills and surrounding drywall over time. Low E coatings for heat and humidity protection. Low emissivity, low E glass coatings are another key feature. These invisible coatings reflect infrared heat while allowing natural light to pass through. In Mandeville's warm climate, low E glass reduces solar heat gain, helps maintain indoor comfort, limits moisture-related temperature fluctuations by stabilizing interior temperatures. Low E coatings reduce the conditions that contribute to condensation. Moisture-resistant frame materials. The frame material plays a major role in humidity performance. Many modern Picture Windows are constructed with vinyl frames that resist moisture absorption, fiberglass frames that won't warp or rot, composite materials designed for durability. Unlike traditional wood frames, these materials do not swell or deteriorate when exposed to humidity. They maintain their shape and seal, even during Mandeville's damp summer months. Proper installation is essential. Even the best Picture Window won't perform well without professional installation. In humid climates, correct flashing, sealing, and insulation around the frame are crucial. Professional installers ensure a precise fit within the opening, secure sealing against moisture intrusion, proper drainage systems to direct water away. This prevents hidden water damage and protects your home's structural integrity. Brightening your home without compromise. Beyond performance, Picture Windows offer stunning visual benefits. Their expansive glass panels maximize natural light and provide clear views of Mandeville's scenic surroundings. Because they are fixed, they also require less maintenance than operable windows. Fewer moving parts mean fewer components exposed to wear in humid conditions. Long-term comfort and efficiency. When built with modern materials and installed correctly, Picture Windows perform exceptionally well in Mandeville's humid climate. They help manage condensation, resist moisture damage, and improve energy efficiency. For homeowners who want to enhance natural light while maintaining durability and comfort, Picture Windows provide a practical and beautiful solution, one that stands up to humidity while elevating your living space year-round.